So guys, first then go to hp.com, click to 3 line, then support, scroll down, click to software and driver, click then laptop, scroll down, click HP Elite Book 735 G6. Select operating system, all same. Scroll down, click to network. So this is a Bluetooth driver, this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is LAN Ethernet control. Okay, select this. This is LAN and this is Wi-Fi. Scroll down, go to just click download, select which is required internet driver only, LAN and Wi-Fi. Okay, download now. Oh, sorry. Download one by one. First download Wi-Fi driver. Then again go to download more driver. Click to this downloaded Wi-Fi setup. Download, yes. Then next, I accept, then next, next. Then download LAN driver. So just click the same setup. Yes. Next, I accept, next. Now you can see the installing in the cmd command, and after doing that, restart your system.